The OPPO R11s is a great example of what has been going on in the mobile industry over the past 6 months or so. Soon after the original R11 launched in June, widescreen became the next big thing. Face ID took over from fingerprint unlock and the telephoto camera was repurposed for broader use. A few months back, the OPPO R11 was one of the best mid-range phones to get, and the R11s is making an even stronger claim on a spot on your wish list. The S model boasts a 26 inches 18:9 AMOLED screen with slimmed-down bezels, the same trustworthy Snapdragon 660 chains IP set, and a new dual-camera setup with a 20MP secondary imager for low-light scenes, and a larger battery. The bigger, wider screen is obviously the highlight of the R11s, but Face Unlock is exactly the sort of novelty to draw positive attention to the new ColorOS 3.2. It may not be as secure as Apple's, but it sure is faster and, well, affordable. Watertight bodies are no longer a rarity in the mid-range, and we hoped for the new OPPO to offer at least some degree of ingress protection. Well, not this year, we guess. And apparently the 60 FPS video recording is still a challenge for OPPO's imaging department. So it's still a no-go on yet another device. The screen, imaging capabilities and the solid chipset should help the OPPO R11s meet expectations, and we guess the cool red paint job will have no trouble getting attention. So, there we go. The retail box pops open right after the break. Display. One of the major changes in the R11s since the original R11 is the screen. Now the R11's features an immersive 6 inches AMOLED screen in a fashionably tall 18:9 ratio. The resolution is 1080x2160px as expected, which means the R11s keeps the same 401 pixels per inch density as the R11. In our display test, the R11s managed some 440 nits of maximum brightness, in line with the OPPO 5T's optic AMOLED. And just like the 5Ts, the R11's AMOLED doesn't offer a brightness boost in auto mode. Contrast is predictably infinite, and blacks are as deep as they get. The minimum brightness equals the OPPO 5T's, just 2.1 nits, perfect for reading in the dark. Oddly, the R11 screen has a lower sunlight contrast than the R11 and OPPO 5T. The glass is highly reflective, which may be the reason for the lower score.